Right. So I want everybody to repeat after me. Right. Okay. B, 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 K, 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 D, 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 F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 P, 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 K, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 yeah, 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 Z, Z, Ch, 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 Sh, Sh, D, D, F, 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 W, W, W. Yeah, so that is all for today. We have made a few changes, as you know that English reading learning, one is like for native speakers, right, whose first language is English, and there are other students whose first language is not English. English is like a second language for them. So the regular phonics sound, they get a little difficult for non-native speakers, right? So for that reason, we have made changes in the sounds a little bit, so they are more visible for the students, right? And this have been practiced with multiple students, countless students, and it has been found quite effective. So this was the first lesson. Do give me feedback, do give me comments in the comments box, your opinion about all this, and do share thoughts with us. Thank you very much. This is teacher Taimur Khan. Okay, take care.